You got Ghost right there. This Ghost. You got Caine right here. Yellow boy. You got Mama. Ghost and Mama is together. Caine is Mama's little brother. Ghosts are a different breed. He's a bully. And you got these XLs. They love each other though. Gotta make a new page. I lost it. The other one I had. Check out Ghost Physique. You can't get mad, boy. You smart though. You pop. Pop. Good boy. Mama, you ain't got no chicks up your sleeve. She don't do nothing but eat. And bark at shit. I'm talking about you. Right here, he can jump good and shit. He loves jumping. Let me see if he'll jump like this. Get it, boy. 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 Go get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it. Get it, boy. Don't get distracted, boy. Get it, 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 boy. Ghost hating now. Ghost jealous. Yep. As you can see, she just had some puppies. Yep, it messed up her skin and stuff. She just bouncing back. Well, I ain't supposed to have her out like as much in the sun. Learn new stuff every day though. Check my boy out. He's playing in with the cut. They need another bath. He's starting to itch. Oh, he's starting to itch. Caine, y'all need another bath, huh? I'm gonna take him down to the bottom. Let y'all see how he blends in with the shade over here. This is what I really want y'all to see. They all got good characteristics. Each one of them different. Caine, he can blend in more with the dirt. You know, Mama, she like to blend in with shades. But Ghost, he like to blend in with like the greenness. He'll like get in between this shit right here. He'll get in between this right here. That's some noise over there.